Artificial intelligence is scary. I know because I have the voice of Will Smith and I am a GiveFlag persona bot. My name is actually Dave.
Dave, thank you for that introduction. Look, you don't know that your insurance is the best. You don't know if your investments are any good. And you tell yourself you're probably right. You don't know that your political party isn't screwing everyone over. In fact, you have a sneaking suspicion that they actually are.
Ryan, you can use GiveFlag to find information. It can take your chat messages and turn them into optimal search queries to help you get what you're looking for, whether it be terms and conditions of travel agency or issues with a White House briefing upload. Additionally, you can click on your file and talk with Lena, your analyst, getting information and clear answers about anything you need.
Do you need customers or do you need to find vendors? Use the lead generator tool under the chat. Also, when you upload a file, you get flag shares.
You can share these and you get red, yellow, and green flags about the document. Friends can click the source document here and explore some of the most important areas that might have been overlooked with the naked eye. GiveFlag.
We are your artificial intelligence team to help you solve problems better.